Hello everyone, welcome back to ExcelWeb. In this short tutorial, we will learn how to remove a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. First, open your Excel worksheet containing the drop-down list you want to delete. Now select the cell or range of cells you want to remove. Navigate to the Data tab and select Data Validation. A drop-down may appear. Now from this drop-down menu, click on Clear All button. Then select OK. As you see, there is no drop-down option here. Now select the cell and delete it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at ExcelWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.